National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ross County, southeastern Pickaway County, southwestern Hocking County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Masseyville, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations impacted include Kingston, in addition, Londonderry, Mooresville, Hallsville, Weisler, Adelphi, Laurelville, Tarleton and South Bloomingville are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio. Now